Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 17, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2pm result ngayong December 17, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm result ngayong Sunday, December 17, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 17, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 295 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 500 million pesos for Sunday, December 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of December 17, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.